everybody, it is April and Kylie, and I am in my kitchen. I have a guest today who is going to show us how to use Waterslide paper and a special printer.
Yeah, because we do that.
Yes.
Every time, and we do that every time.
So we are going to decorate some wine glasses.
Yep,
and
that's
this
our goal.
is one of the wine glasses. The thing about my guest is she doesn't want to be on camera.
Yep.
So we're going to do a shot downward so that you can see what we're doing, but you will never see Sherry because Sherry is camera shy. So let's get started.
This is the kind of waterslide paper we use. This one is the transparent, and this one is the white. That's the brand. You can find it on Etsy. It's about $17, $18 for 20 sheets a piece. This is the kind of printer that we used. An HP Envy 7855. The transparent paper for the water slide. When you put it in the printer, you want to use, it's got a slick side and a non-slick side. You want to always load the slick side down, or at least on this one you do, to where the image will print on the slick side. So here we can file, print. It's going to do it. And this is what your image looks like when it comes out on the waterslide paper. See, it's printed on the slick side. So the next step is to cut out the image, leaving a little bit of white because of the fact we printed this on transparent paper, that when we do put it in the water, it's going to lift up off that white background and it's going to slide on that clear cup. Should leave nothing but the color, and that's it. So that's it. Just cut them out as close as you can without damaging the image. In the garage, and these are the images, and I put them in a small box to contain the, I guess, the spray. This is the kind of spray that you want. You want a fast drying polyurethane. I got Minwax brand, and I've got the clear satin. And what you do is put your images in a box, and then you want to hold it kind of far away and spray them. And you want to do this 3 times. You want to make sure that they have a chance to dry in between the time, and you want to make sure that you don't leave this out in the garage where it's cold. You want this at room temperature. So I vent the garage and let this dry, come back out with my can of spray and spray it in about 30 minutes. So I do that 3 times. So there you go.
So now what we need to do, by the way, those were Sherry's videos earlier on how to print what we're going to be putting on these wine glasses.
Yeah.
So now you've got your wine glasses, you need alcohol,
water,
tap water. Yep, say.
and we got fuzzies.
These are cotton balls.
We got cotton balls.
That's right. And we've got painter's tape.
Eggs.
Why do we have painter's tape? Ah, okay. Sherry's guiding me because, again, camera shy. All right, so we need painter's tape or some roll of tape that's like painter's tape, and that is to hold your glass still. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a fuzzy. Just one. Just grab one fuzzy. Okay. We're going to put alcohol on it. I'll do that. We're not going to use the tap water yet. And then we're going to rub down the glass with alcohol.
I want to.
To do that.
Okay.
rubbing. Rub it. There you go. Rub it. Nope, we're not in camera.
Us?
Okay.
I am.
You are?
Yep.
Okay.
And you too.
All right, and then we're going to set that aside to dry. So in addition to wiping down your glass with alcohol, you may have a sticker on the bottom. And I like to use Undo. Right, so what we're going to do is we've got our print on the Waterslide paper. And you put it in the water for 60 seconds. Did you time it? Are you counting?
You just tell.
Okay. So 60 seconds, either you can count or what tells you that it's ready?
Sherry time.
Sherry time.
Sherry time.
Sherry time.
Can I use that tape?
Okay, now hand Sherry the tape.
Thank you, baby.
Okay, so then you get your cup or your glass, put some water on it, and then lay the print and hold the side with your left hand.
We can do it either way.
This
Or
is
right.
the left hand.
So one side you stabilize the image, and then you pull or slide, I guess that's why it's called Waterslide Paper, slide the paper out. Okay, smooth it. If there are any bubbles, take a paper towel. So, this is what it will look like once you've pulled the Waterslide paper off. It's not as easy as it looks. Just a heads up. Don't put your painter's tape roll under your cup. It gets wet. And when you have adhered your decals like this and this, then you are going to put these into a preheated oven, 230 degrees for 10 minutes. So here they are, fresh out of the oven. And that is how you use Waterslide paper. Waterslide paper. Thank you, Sherry. Thank you, everybody, for watching. On glass. Evidently, you can't use it on plastic because how would you heat it up? If you know the answer to that question, put it down below. Thank you for watching. I know you have lots of choices when you watch YouTube, and I appreciate you watching me. Thumbs up if you like it, subscribe, and have a great day. Say something nice to somebody and eat some chocolate.
The end. Because we're using the camera because...
What? I don't see myself. I'm looking, but all I see is...
Here you go.
Oh, so there's my hand, see? So you're waving. Okay. Come on, let her do her thing.
It's a good thing I have bloopers at the end.